Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I feel like I maybe left some people hanging to figure out how to send a screenshot of that. If you just go to your Windows magnifying glass, and Snipping tool is inside your Windows, and there it is right there, and just click on it, and you've set it to your start menu, and then all you have to do is say new, and then take your highlighter and highlight what you want, and you actually take out some of that tile, and then you just go to File and Save As, and you can save it as PNG. I think you can save it as a JPEG or GIF, and PNG will work or JPEG will work, and then just name it knife and send it to the person. And that's as easy as it can get. So just go to your magnifying glass and pick and type snip. See, I use Snagit. This is a snipping tool. We can pin it to the taskbar, and there it is right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.